Here's another helpful website. I know there's lots of times that you go to work on something, maybe something you bought a couple years ago, can't find the manual on it. Well, guess what? Lots of it's online. It's manualslib.com. Okay? Now, a couple weird things just to kind of prove to you how vast this thing really is. Okay, one of the things I have here we bought a long time ago was a Vornado fan. Okay? Now, I've actually got this model of fan sitting right next to me. And I can go through and look at the maintenance on this, anything else, okay, how to use, basic assembly, troubleshooting, whatever. Now, another thing I have sitting right next to me, which I just say, this one was purchased by somebody else. I don't know where the manual is on this one. Okay, so the one we're going to go to on this one is going to be Shark. Now, it's a Shark Navigator vacuum cleaner. Now, right there's a navigator. So lots of different things. If I want to do maintenance, it gives you some ideas how to empty the cup. Trust me, I've ran into problems where I get to something real simple. It's like, man, I do not know how to clean this. I don't know how to disassemble it. I have broken stuff in the past by trying to do stuff on my own without trying to figure out how it's actually supposed to be done to begin with. So there's all kinds of information out there on the internet. This is a great product. Lots of different manuals that are on there that I guarantee all of us have lost at one time or another. Hopefully this has been a helpful video, and I thank you for viewing.